Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to use Ahrefs. So to get started, Ahrefs is a powerful SEO tool used for keywords research, backlink analysis, competitors tracking, and site audit. So to get started, create an account, then use the Site Explorer to analyze any website backlink, top performing page, and organic keywords. The Keyword Explorer tools help you find high traffic, low competition keywords by showing keywords difficulty, search volume, and traffic potential. You can also use the site audit to scan your website for technical SEO issues and improve your site overall health. Additionally, the rank tracker lets you monitor keywords position over time and compare with competitors, while the content explorer help you find top ranking articles for content ideas. You can even set up alert for new backlink or brand mention. Although some features are locked behind the paid plan, Ahrefs is worth it for marketers, bloggers, and business looking to improve their SEO and growth organic traffic. So it's beginners friendly and packed with useful insight once you learn the basic. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.